Welcome back to another video. Today is slightly windy, so I can't really do that much welding. So instead I'm gonna try to install a winch or figure out the placement for it and how I should run all the anchor chain and the anchor chain locker. I will see if I can figure that out. So I hope you enjoy it. So this is an anchor I got some weeks ago. It was from a guy living quite close by who owned a Dutch barge, and he took up board, and I'm trying to figure out how to do this thing with the chains. My plan is to have the chain running out of here through the bulwarks and then actually have it go down into the water. I don't really feel like making a pipe that goes through my deck diagonally, so through the deck plating and then through the hull plating. It's just a lot of work, and I don't really feel like doing that. Besides, it takes away space from my living room downstairs, or my living quarters. And on the other side, the chain locker, I plan to weld in a big pipe into the deck. I have an old high pressure bottle that's about 60 centimeters in diameter, and I will submerge or like weld that flush with the deck. So then I have a very nice storage locker for my chain in there. Yeah. But now I will go to the other workshop and try to see if I can bend some round rings to that will help guiding the chain through the bulwarks, because otherwise it will be a super sharp corner that the chain will get stuck on. Well, good morning. It's another day, and I've been thinking and sleeping a few nights about how to do this whole winch thing, or how to install it properly. And yeah, I'm gonna explain a little bit of what I'm thinking now on how to do it, because my first plan is probably not gonna work. So let's see if I can explain it. So here you have two cross sections of Omala, of the boat. So looking from the front. So this is the beam of the boat, and this way is the length. Hope that kind of makes sense. You got the waterline here, and then the hull shape itself. My original plan is for here to have the winch, and then to have the chain going quite almost horizontal over the deck with some kind of chain roller or a ring here, and have it hanging here, and have it go over the rubber fender down into the water, like so. So straight out, straight down. But I think at this point here it's a very sharp angle, almost 90 degrees, so I need to make a roller to guide the chain, and that's just, I think it's gonna make it very weird and complex. Besides, the anchor will be sticking out besides the rubber fenders that I have around the boat. They're about 20 centimeters long and the anchor is 25, so you will have the steel always sticking out. So I'm not entirely happy with that. Oh yeah, and my other plan was, like, I would have this high pressure bottle welded in the deck here, because this is the deck line, and then the chain would wrap up in here with a hatch on top so I can open and close it. So that was my first plan. Also what I made the ring for, you saw just now, the steel ring. I wanted to weld it in the bulwarks here. But I think I might do it more the classic way with the anchors. This is, yeah, by welding a pipe through the deck, which guides the chain through the pipe, and have the anchor hanging a bit lower above the water, and then the same with a pipe that the chain goes into. I wasn't really wanting to do that because, one, I need to weld close to the water to do this, which is rather difficult for me when I'm actually underwater, and it will take away some space of the room below. Now luckily it's not going to be a very active living space below the deck here. It's going to be more like a second kitchen, where there will be like a freezer and a washing machine and a small workbench. So it's not going to be used that much, but still it would be quite annoying to have this pipe go through it. But that's just the way it is. So then the pipe will end up below the rubber fender that's going to be on the bow of the boat, and then the anchor will somehow drop down like that. So today I'm going to try to figure out what angle that should be, because I want the winch that I put on, I want it to be in the middle of the deck. And I want this one to be, of course, as in line with the winch as possible. So this pipe should kind of be lining up with tangentially with the chain wheel, how you call it, the cock wheel that grabs the chain. I want this pipe to be tangential with that, so it'll be nice and easy to grab hold of it. But let's see. I've never done this before. I've never owned a boat before, so I have no clue what I'm doing. But yeah, here it goes. Just drilled a hole in my boat.